You want the pink? Oh, this one. You good in English? I know. What's the English of kinalabet?
Kinalabet.
Hope is not correct like this. You can sit para sa tinusok, right? And then you cannot say you touch me because it's hawak. And then you cannot say you tickle me because it's kinilabet. And then you cannot say you pinch me because it's cross, right? Right? And how you could say in English of kinalabet?
Yes, YouTube na.
Kinalabet. Tell me.
I don't know.
Are you play a game on computer like a Dota or Counter-Strike?
Yeah.
They leave the answer there. When I can say that it is not real correct in the sentence, but same sounds, you trigger me.
Kalabit ka rin yun.
Right?
That's good.
Right?
I'm triggering you, man.
Yeah, why you trigger me?
I'm triggering you.
Are you gonna buy
Do you know when you eat a banana, it is good for the mind and good for the health, good for the skin, and good for the heat? When gonna be hit is something good for your body. It is not good at junk food and strawberry is not better, right? It is having the benefits of the strawberries and junk food, right? When you're healthy. Oh.
I don't know.
I tell you, what's the difference inside and outside your body? Outside still here, and inside in your body here, right? You can say that. Pag kumain kayo ng junk food, it is not better. Sinasaktan nyo sa loob nyo. Pinagmamaarte nyo sa labas, di ba? Okay? O yung si Mama Banana Q?
No, buy na.
Because of that, I'm gonna buy one.
Yes.
Yeah, rock and roll.
One? You're fucking cheap, man.
Just only 5.
How much is this?
It's sa kasaba. The ingredient kasaba.
You have
It's
Tron?
only 10, 10, and 5. I have no Tron. I have no wrap.
Oh my God.
No wrap.
It's only on the stick. In the banana.
Okay, I'll take one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take one.
Meron akong question. Anong saging pati balat kinakain? Tron. Yan.
Yan.
Magkapatid kayo, alam ko eh.
Pag naligo ka, anong unang babasahin mo?
Pa! Ulo!
Habo! Mali kayong lahat! Siyempre yung tuyo!
Paano mo
malalaman
kung bago
ligo yung kalbo?
Hayaan mo siya lumabas para malaman mong kalbo siya. Ay, malaman bago ligo.
Tanungin mo! Okay na. Okay na yan.
Bakit yung pusa nasa bubong?
Laging nasa bubong.
Pagtapos nito, meron akong bibigyan sa inyo amazing. Wait.
Amazing!
Yes.
Oh!
Lahat to ibigay
How
mo sa
much your
akin.
money?
20.
Yes.
I'm giving it to you.
What?
Because you speak English.
You have a job?
No.
No, I don't care if you get a job. You have no job, just scare your kid.
Yo!
Right?
Bukas na kasi CNN ka na.
Oo.
Papadala ka sa Japan.
Kalokan mo nga.
Papadala ka sa Japan.
Gusto niyo ba? Do you want to challenge you, woman?
Woman? Sure. Not just a woman, girl lang.
Naniniwala ka ngayon, hindi mo kakilala, hindi kita kakilala, alam ko na ang ugali mo. I'm not a fortune teller, ha? Nakakalaman lang ako ng ugali. Alam ko sensitive ka, sumpungin ka. Prangka ka. Ha? Hindi, hindi, I know. Spoiled yan, alam ko.
How about our prof? How about our
Alam mo bang hindi naman ako nanghuhula because only God they know your attitude, not me. It's only God they know your future. But I know your attitude, nakakabasa ako. Kasi, because of God, they give me wisdom.
Yeah, rock and roll. Knowledge, wisdom.
Lahat ng USC, sugi ko sila. Pag pumupunta sa dito, they want me, last Sunday na pinaka-NSTP nila. Naghahag pa lang kami, tapos nagano kami, kuya, wag ka, sa susunod na lang ka tayo magkikita, nag-iyakan sila na, nag-iyakan kami. Because of the USC.
Linggo yung kuya, no?
Ano ba USC?
So good
Utol ko, UST.
Sumalo ka namin mag-tour? Or guide?
Sige, Eric! Pa-picture na, pa-Facebook! Kuya, pa-Facebook! Pa-picture ko ya! Friend ko to!
Yes.
Pwede, no?
Pwede!
But I can tell you, advise you, just read the letter of God. If you want to become knowledge, it is better to read the letter, not only the read of the cell phone, right? And let them put in your heart God, deep in your heart God. And let think every second, every minute God. Okay?
Yeah.
It is a better of the secret of the future.
Anong lahi mo ka?
Filipino!
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 Ano ka lahi? Anong lingwahe? Kapampangan.
Ayun, Eric! Sabi nga, kuya, say takla ah, takla.
Takla! It's a takla is not good.
Taklang tanak.
1, 2, 3.